let's talk, man. Let's chop it up. I wanna dive into something before we start getting into these reactions. And I have a question that I want to ask. Why is it that you have some women out there that think that it's smart to play games? Hear me out. We look at a lot of different content online. Sometimes people send me things, and sometimes I just stumble upon it. Like with my algorithm. What's going on? What is that? Sarah or Sahara? How you doing? What's going on, sweet? But yeah, I need to understand why. Like it has to be, I don't know, something to the madness. Like why in the world do you play games with guys? Like they have this what 3 date rule, 90 day rule, 6 month. I don't know. They got a lot of stuff going on. What's going on, my friend? What's up? I need to know what's the reasoning behind it, because truth be told, the guys that I know, if you think that that's okay, that you can sit here and just play games with people, especially when you done gave it to somebody else within, I'm just gonna say the first night. But here comes along a guy, a decent guy, that checks off most of those boxes, and you think that it's wise to play games with those guys. I'm gonna tell you a little something about somebody said I'm from India. That's what's up, my friend. That's what's up. That's what I do. I'm gonna tell you something about some guys, right? You have men out here that will possibly take you serious, right? Or they'll go into it like, you know what? This chick is cool. She checks off a lot of my boxes. I like her. She likes me. We're vibing, this, that, and the third. But the moment you throw that damn wrench in there, I'm going to make him wait. Or I'm going to play games. A red flag is going to go off in that man's head like, hold on. Dog. We both grown here. We both grown. What are we doing? Okay. All right. You got some guys out there that will literally, you know what, just for the sport. You want to play games? Cool. I'll play along. And at the end of this 30-day, 45-day, 90-day challenge or whatever you're trying to do, I'm up out of there. And it literally could just be because, again, you are playing games with a grown man instead of just being open and just being honest about things. Like beating around the bush and playing these high school childish games. A lot of y'all be effing up, man. It's 8:33 in the morning in India. That's crazy. That's 11:04 right now, man. So we about to go to sleep. Y'all are just now getting up. Some of y'all. But that's what's up. That's what it do. But yeah, I wanted to start the stream off with just asking that question, and also I want to just put this out there. Out of all the guys that y'all have potentially tried that with, how many of y'all, like how has that worked for you? Like if the goal is to get the guy to, I don't know, marry you, be in a long-term committed relationship or whatever, have children with that guy, did that really work? Because again, when I think about men, like dudes that stand on bit, they not doing it, bro. They not doing it. If you play games with me, you know what? I may play along. You got a lot of guys like I ain't got time for it, dog. I ain't got time for this mess. We too old for that. And they kick your butt to the curb and keep it pushing. But yeah, man, I don't know. I don't know what that is, but I've been seeing a trend online with women giving other women advice on doing stuff like that. We talking about growing. You in your 30s. Just fresh out of high school, I respect it. I respect it. You play games like that. That's just what you do. That's just what children do. I expect that out of children. But grown men, grown women, like let's just have a conversation, right? What are you looking for? Like what are you looking to get out of this? Let's just be honest. If it's just sex, let's just say that. Listen, I'm just trying to get in draws. You know what I'm saying? Or I just want, I've literally heard women, because guys think that it's just, no, it's not just y'all, it's women out there that just have literally said, listen, I don't want anything serious. I'm not looking for a long term committed relationship, anything. I done got out of a relationship. I don't even want to think about that right now. It's too stressful. I just want somebody that I can kick it with, that, hopefully ain't gonna be, going around messing around or whatnot, what have you. But just somebody that I can just kick it with. Nothing complicated. We ain't gotta put no title on nothing. Like, you'll be surprised, fellas. Just if you have these conversations with some women out there that don't mind being open and being honest. But yeah, I just wanted to put that thing out there before we get into these videos for today. Let me slide this thing to the side. There we go.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa, too bad was they roll.